Okay, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at some units that are basically some Space Marine Reivers, but we're going to be building them as a assault squad, I believe, for Grimdark Future. No, we're building them as a raider squad for Grimdark Future, and we're loading them out with 5 pistols, 5 heavy pistols, 4 daggers, and a energy sword. A little sword! Because from what I understand, the Reivers are a quick assault team that just goes in, deals a couple of wounds, and then just moves quickly. And that's basically what they are in Grimdark Future. In Grimdark Future, they have like Fearless, they're Furious, which gives them +1 attack with weapons of your choice when charging, and Strider, which means they don't get hindered by rough terrain. So, as a quick in and out, combat unit, these are pretty good. Plus, they're pretty low cost. You can get a hell ton of them on the field, so why not? So, let's get to building. And there we have it. We have a 5-man crew of, if you're playing Grimdark Future, Raiders, Warhammer 40k, Reivers. All of them with their little pistols and a melee weapon. Building these has been really fun, and I really want to continue doing videos like this where I take one unit from one-page rolls Grimdark Future or Age of Fantasy and look at their equivalent in games like Warhammer 40k, or War Machine Hordes, or Chorus Bellies, Infinity, because these figures are expensive. The first party figures are expensive, and even getting into the first party game is expensive. Because with Warhammer 40k, the rulebook is $60, and it's like $30, $50, $60 for each factions and chapters stat book. And from there you have to buy all the miniatures, which for the Reivers, for a pack of 10 of them, is about $60. That's about $6 a figure in that case. And here I printed all 5 of these for about $1.30 off of my resin printer. So overall, this has been fun. If you want to build these figures, you can find them over on Station Forge's page. I use primarily the parts from the Socrates melee legion, I believe. I believe I pulled the sword from the knight set and some of the pistols from the, I believe, from the infantry legion. But overall, this has been a fun set to build, and we'll see you next time. Comment down below what units you want me to try to kit bash together with some parts from Station Forge or one-page rules or any other critter out there. And yeah, have a good day.